discover the latest and most innovative kitchen gadgets on Amazon that will transform your cooking experience in 2025. From smart appliances to time-saving tools, these 20 picks combine practicality, style, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these gadgets are designed to make meal preparation easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen with must-have tools that truly deliver value. SAKI Automatic Pot Stirrer. The SAKI Automatic Pot Stirrer lets you cook without constant supervision, gently stirring soups, stews, sauces, porridge, risottos, and more to release fresh flavors. Its adjustable arms fit pans 6 to 10.2 inches in diameter and 4 to 8 inches in height. BPA-free, cordless, and rechargeable, it offers 2 stirring speeds for smart, healthy cooking. A 2-hour charge powers long, hands-free use, perfect for smooth or chunky dishes. Backed by a 1-year replacement warranty, SAKI ensures a hassle-free experience, letting you focus on other tasks while it handles the stirring. Ninja Crispi. The Ninja Crispi, priced at $145.59, is a portable 4-in-1 air fryer system with a 1,500 watt motor, offering air fry, bake, re-crisp, and max crisp functions up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes a power pod, 2 thermal shock-resistant tempered glass containers, 4-quart and 6-cup, and 2 crisper trays for even cooking. Compact and portable, it features dishwasher-safe containers, heat-safe feet, and snap-lock lids for transport. The glass design lets you monitor cooking, while automatic shut-off adds safety. Ideal for small kitchens or travel, it delivers versatility with crisp, delicious results. Lazy Susan Revolution. The Lazy Susan Revolution, priced at $98.98, transforms family gatherings and parties with its patented, extra-large design, making it easy for everyone to reach their favorite dishes. Ideal for oval or rectangular tables, it's expandable with extra trays to fit any table size. Assembly takes just 2 minutes, no tools required, and it stores easily afterward. Its heat-resistant, non-slip trays handle high temperatures and keep items secure. As the first patented long table Lazy Susan, it's a practical, innovative serving solution and a thoughtful holiday gift for any home. Geedel Food Chopper. The Geedel Food Chopper, priced at $25.99, is a manual kitchen tool designed for fast and efficient chopping, mincing, and mixing without electricity. It features ultra-sharp 420 surgical-grade stainless steel blades that resist rust and remain sharp, paired with a spacious 1.2-litre BPA-free food-grade plastic container. The non-slip base and secure snap-on lid ensure stability and safety during use. Its detachable, dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning simple. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it's ideal for chopping onions, garlic, vegetables, fruits, and more, offering quiet, eco-friendly operation for everyday cooking needs. Lefton Sink Set. The Lefton KS 2207L33 by 22-inch stainless steel kitchen sink combines durability, functionality, and style. Made from 16-gauge stainless steel with a fine-line brushed nano-coated finish, it resists chipping, cracking, and stains. Featuring a real-time digital temperature display, dual waterfall faucets, and a versatile pull-out faucet, it ensures precise and dynamic cleaning. Its workstation design includes a drain basket, metal tray, and double-sided cutting board. the automatic drain knob allows easy water control, while compatibility with most garbage disposals adds versatility, though the knob function is disabled with a disposal installed. Kenmore Electric Can Opener. The Kenmore Smooth Edge Electric Can Opener, priced at $64.77, offers safe, mess-free can opening with a rim-cutting blade that leaves smooth, rounded edges to prevent accidental cuts. Its side-cutting design allows lids to be reused for storage, making it perfect for seniors, camping, restaurants, or emergency use. Compatible with various can sizes, it features hands-free operation, one-touch release, and a sleek smudge-resistant design to suit modern kitchens. Food safe and ergonomic, it's ideal for easy, hygienic food prep while keeping contents clean and lids intact for recycling or reuse. CGOLDENWALL. The CGOLDENWALL Pasta Maker, priced at $169.22, is a fully automatic portable machine that kneads, extrudes, and cuts dough with ease, making fresh noodles in just 10 minutes. Its smart touch panel ensures the perfect flour to water ratio, while 12 dough shape molds let you create spaghetti, dumpling skins, macaroni, and more. With a 650-gram capacity, it serves 3 to 5 portions at once and supports various ingredients like vegetable juice or gluten-free flour. Detachable parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring quick cleaning and easy maintenance. Perfect for home cooks seeking efficiency and variety. Presto Pizza Oven. The Presto Pizza Oven, priced at US $79, features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. With top and bottom heating elements, it cooks from both sides, and the elements can be controlled separately to select top, bottom, or both for perfect results. A built-in timer signals the end of cooking and automatically turns off the heating elements. This oven saves up to 60% energy compared to conventional ovens. The removable non-stick baking pan ensures easy cleaning and convenient storage, making it ideal for pizzas, snacks, and more. OXO Avocado Slicer. The OXO Meat Tenderizer, priced at $19.99, is a versatile kitchen tool designed for both tenderizing and flattening meat. Its textured side is optimized to break down tough fibers, while the smooth surface is perfect for pounding meat to an even thickness. Made from one-piece aluminum construction, it ensures durability and long-lasting strength. The non-slip handle provides a secure grip, even when hands are wet, enhancing safety and comfort during use. Ideal for preparing steaks, chicken, or pork, this tool brings professional results to your kitchen. OXO Meat Tenderizer. The OXO Meat Tenderizer, priced at $21.69, is designed for efficiency and safety in the kitchen. Its sharp, durable blades create pockets in meat to reduce marinating and cooking time, helping retain natural juices and ensuring even cooking. A recessed toggle lock keeps the blades safely covered for secure, compact storage. The clear base with straight edges allows precise control and even tenderization. With a contoured, non-slip grip, it offers comfort during use. The top is removable for thorough cleaning and is top rack dishwasher safe. BlendJet. The BlendJet 2, priced at $21.99, offers portable blending convenience, letting you create smoothies, shakes, and more anywhere, at home, work, the gym, or outdoors. Its patented TurboJet technology crushes ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens with ease. USB-C rechargeable, It delivers 15 plus blends per 1 hour charge. Self-cleaning for quick cleanup, it also features pulse mode for dips and salsas, plus lock mode for safe transport. Available in stylish colours and patterns, BlendJet 2 combines everyday wellness with portability, making healthy choices more accessible and fun wherever life takes you. Cabinet Caddy. The Cabinet Caddy, priced at $32.99, is an instant access organizer that keeps your kitchen or bathroom cabinets neat and efficient. Ideal for small spices and items, not for bulk goods. It requires 11 inches deep and 11 inches tall clearance. Its modular, double-decker design features a shorter top shelf, 4.0 inches H x 2.25 inches W, and a taller bottom shelf, 5.25 inches HX 2.5 inches W. Simply place, fill, and use. No assembly needed. Includes stick-on labels, foam stability inserts, and non-skid feet for secure, hassle-free storage and easy access. Aigostar Sapphire. The Aigostar Sapphire, priced at €29.99, is a foldable travel kettle with a practical accordion design, making it compact and easy to store in your suitcase. It features an automatic reheating function, warming water below 78 degrees Celsius to keep it ready for drinks. Built with a stainless steel base and heat-resistant silicone body, it offers safety and durability, along with an always cool handle. Made from flexible, long-lasting materials, it comes with a 2-year European legal warranty. Ideal for travel, it combines convenience, quality, and safety in one portable design. Plateful Warming Mat. The Plateful Warming Mat, priced at $99.99, is a versatile electric warming solution that keeps meals at the perfect serving temperature with 8 precise settings: 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for entertaining, it features an adjustable timer up to 72 hours, auto shut-off, and a compact 25.6 by 15.7 by 0.9 inch design weighing just 3.5 pounds. Safe and practical, it includes child-proof locks, tabletop protection, and maintains surfaces below 194 degrees Fahrenheit. Compatible with all dishware, this sleek countertop heating mat turns any surface into a professional warming station, perfect for buffets, holiday dinners, and stress-free hosting. HAVA R01. The HAVA R01 countertop dishwasher, priced at $289 US, offers a compact no-installation design with 2 water supply modes. Built-in 5-litre tank or faucet connection. Perfect for apartments, RVs, dorms, and boats, it holds up to 4 place settings and 30 plus kitchenware items. With 6 wash programs, 360-degree spray cleaning, and a fruit basket, it ensures sparkling results. Using just 5 litres per cycle, it saves 75% water. Heavy baby care mode sanitizes at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, while the drying function keeps dishes fresh for up to 72 hours. Energy efficient, easy to use, and rigorously quality tested. Once for All Slicer. The Once for All Slicer, priced at $26.90, is a safer, versatile mandolin slicer, featuring sharp hidden blades for fast, uniform cuts without changing blades or wearing gloves. It offers 4 modes: julienne, matchstick, slicing, and dicing, with adjustable thickness from 0.1 to 8 mm, perfect for slicing potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, onions, and more. Made with 420 stainless steel blades, it's durable and food safe. Its collapsible design saves space and the included brush makes cleaning easy. Ideal as a home or wedding gift, it comes with a 24-month warranty for peace of mind. Joseph Totem. The Joseph Totem. Max 60 litres, priced at $232.39, is a second-generation waste separation system with a space-saving vertical design and 2 compartments for maximising trash and recycling. It features an 8-gallon general waste compartment on top, an 8-gallon multi-purpose recycling drawer at the base, and removable buckets with liner retaining holes, hooks, and breather vents. A removable 0.8-gallon compost bin with lid can be placed in multiple positions. The lid contains a replaceable carbon filter to control odours, and the unit comes with a 10-year warranty. Ninja Swirl. The Ninja Swirl, priced at US $349, lets you create both classic scoops and soft serve at home with 13 one-touch programs, including 6 added options like soft serve, frozen custard, fruit whip, creamer fit, and light ice cream. Customize treats to suit your needs: low sugar, dairy-free, vegan, high protein, or nut-free. Mix in your favorite candies, fruits, or nuts for unique flavors. Its Creamy Fit program makes healthier, high-protein ice cream in one spin. All swirl pints, lids, paddles, and the swirl press are BPA-free and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Prepdeck Storage Station. The Prepdeck Gen 2, as seen on Shark Tank, is the ultimate all-in-one kitchen prep station with over 50 upgrades from the original. Featuring a sleek new design, it includes a seamless magnetized cutting board, 8 redesigned prep tools, and durable food-safe containers in 5 sizes with 20% more capacity. Slip-free storage, super seal lids, and dual scrap bins minimize mess, while non-slip silicone trim keeps everything stable. Perfect for chopping, grating, peeling, and more. It helps you prep faster, stay organized, and keep your kitchen clutter-free. Smeg Soda Maker. The Smeg Soda Maker, priced at £149, offers style, durability, and ease of use. Its 800ml bottle is made from 50% recycled plastic, is dishwasher safe, and only compatible with the included bottle. Featuring an intuitive front dial, it allows manual carbonation adjustment for customized fizz. Compatible with most screw-on CO2 cylinders, 400 to 425 grams, excluding SodaStream Quick Connect. Is ready to use without installation. CO2 cylinder not included. Backed by Smeg's 2-year guarantee upon free registration, this premium carbonator blends top brand quality with intuitive innovation for refreshing sparkling drinks at home.